Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are adding sound to this Elecrow 2.4-inch CrowPanel ESP32 HMI display. If you have seen this tiny speaker jack over here and wondered how to make it play music, then this video is for you.
The CrowPanel has a built-in speaker output, but it's not an amplifier, it's simply exposing the ESP32's DAC pin, which means you can play tones, beeps, wave files and even music as long as you use the right library and wiring. Elecrow provides an example using the XT DAC audio library. But if you try compiling it on the newer ESP32 boards packages, especially ESP32 Room DA or ESP32 Core 3.x, you probably saw this error. That's because the ESP32's Arduino core updated the timer API, so all the libraries break. So here is the fix. Inside the library file xtdacaudio.cpp, around the constructor, replace the old timer code with this snippet. This replaces the outdated functions like the timer begin and timer alarm write. Once you make this change, the library compiles perfectly on the CrowPanel. Now let's upload the example. I am using GPIO 26 for DAC audio. That's the pin Elecrow wired to the speaker pads.
I just improvised this JST connector to easily plug into this because I don't have the exact connector for that port. If you look here, you can also see some other Arduino sketches. You can try it out. So if I go to this sequence speak nums in the XT-DAC audio library, I'm gonna select that, and here we have the sequence speak num.ino. Let's upload that sketch and see what happens. Let's go and open the serial monitor and let me type in some numbers. 1 2. Before that, you need to make a small change here because you can see that the GPIO is 25. We have it as 26 in our CrowPanel. So let me just change and upload the sketch again. Okay, let me open the serial monitor and now let's let me type in let's say 76432. I'll be using this mixing one. Let's try that one. Let's hear the output of mixing. So this actually mixes about 3 wave formats, wave datas, or let's say 3 wave musics. That is the Cantina wave, the Blaster wave and Force wave that have been created right here in the sketch. Is it? Yeah, you can see there the XT wave, class Cantina, Blaster, Force wave. So that have been mixed together to play as a single audio. You can also do that. And that's how you play an audio on this. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.